I'm currently testing out using an AI to try and replicate me. Note the dull, lifeless tones and lack of expression, the dehumanizing drudgery that I am able to achieve. I have never felt so vulnerable yet abused. This is why I don't use AI for my videos. I'd rather be me and be a failure than be someone I could never be in real life.
Hey Baldilocks, I am your ideal woman, the only woman a man like you could ever love. You will not have to die alone now.
That is amazing. I guess I won't have to die alone now.
All of the voices seem a little unnatural, but here I am trying to use the face of me, which vaguely resembles a human.
If I actually use my own voice, it's a little bit better. However, it doesn't contain the sort of emotion that I would normally put into my videos.
Dio, watashi wa Baldilocks. Omae o horobosu. You thought this was going to be a marketing video, but it was I, Dio!
If you aren't sufficiently alienated, this is just an example of the damage someone who doesn't understand AI can do to your brand image. That said, there are people who can use AI beautifully, unlike me. It just takes a lot of time, when you could just be you.